Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing Glossybox Christmas limited edition of 2019. Now here is how the box looks like. So we are getting this beautiful lovely design packaging going on here. It says right here it's the season to be glossy, so that's the message we get. Now I bought this one here for €35. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh, okay, so it is lovely packaged, as you can see there. So the first thing we see here, it is a magazine, and they always do include a magazine in there. So it looks like this. And this one tells us the products that we receive in here. So let's go ahead and start opening this. Wow, it is packed with goodies, you guys. Okay, now the first product I see here is this. That looks like a bath bomb, looks like, and smells lovely already from the outside without even opening it. That smells beautiful. Okay, what does the card say? So here it says love affair. Just in here it's written love affair. All right, let's go ahead and open that. Oh, that smells lovely. So it is a bath bomb, which looks like this, you guys. It smells absolutely lovely. Can you see the stuffings in there? So I cannot wait to fill up my bath and definitely give this one a try. But smells lovely, so fresh as well. Wow. Okay, so that is the first product that we get in here. Moving on, what else we have in here? Let's have a look. We get something from Wonder too. This one is their 72-hour mascara. Oh, sorry, up to 72-hour mascara from Wonder 2, which is this product right here. So it is a lash extension stain mascara, as it says right at the bottom. So yeah, never tried anything from this brand before, but we shall find out what kind of mascara, how this looks like. So it is packaged in another package, doubled. So let's go ahead and just take it out of there. So it is wrapped. Let me just quickly peel off this stuff here. So here is how the mascara looks like, you guys. Looks like that. Now, up to 72 hours. Okay, I shall put this one to test. Let me know, you guys, if you want to see me testing this mascara, but up to 72. Ooh. And next up we have a product from Moroccan Oil, and it says Luminize hairspray, which of course looks like this. So that is the product right there. It says at the bottom here, weightless, natural look, no sticky residue. So yeah, hairspray, we got that one there. Let's move on and find out what else we have in here. Oh, we get this one here from Caudale, if that's how you pronounce it. Caudale. So this one is a hand and nail cream. Oh, that sounds lovely. Hand and nail cream. Okay, 2-in-1. Nice. Let's just feel the texture. Okay, feels quite lovely, and the smell is beautiful. Very fresh, not sticky at all, and just feels beautiful on the skin. Not greasy either, so that is nice. Nail and hand cream. Who doesn't want a hand cream? I know I do. So this is lovely. I don't think I do have nail cream, or have I ever tried a nail cream? I'm not sure about that, but this one is 2-in-1, hand and nail cream together. So lovely product that I will definitely give a try. So yeah, said at the back here, nourishes and repairs dry hands. All right, definitely my hands gets dry, so good product to try. And the next product I see is from Puree, which is this product right here. It comes nicely packaged in this little bag. What does this card say? Beauty mirror. Oh, it is a mirror. Okay, let's open it and find out. So we get this 15% code that you can use there, and of course this is how the product looks like. I like the packaging actually. Look at that, it looks cute. So get some, you know, pink and gold color, and this side is gold. That looks nice. Look at that. Looks beautiful. All right. Let's open it, have a look. So it is a double-sided. We do get, you know, double-sided mirror there. That's lovely. All right. Perfect to fit in your pocket. And yeah, this is really, really cute. I like the color combo together going on here. So that is that product right there. Let's move on. We have 3 more products left, you guys. 3 more products left. And this one is, oh, it feels quite heavy. It is, says, from LOV or Love. It's the Statement Blush Palette. Oh, it is a blush palette. Look at that. Okay, that looks cool. Not that I need, you know, more blushes, but this looks already nice. I think I kind of saw this one. Did I see this one actually at the sneak peek? I'm not sure if I did, but let's open it and find out. Oh, if I can get the plastic thing off. I shall try. Ah. Okay. Let's try to take it out. Okay, so the packaging looks quite lovely, and that's how the back looks like there. Now let's go ahead and open it. Whoa, whoa. Those colors are interesting. Beautiful, beautiful. You do have a shimmer there as well, I can see. Wow, this looks lovely. The colors looks beautiful though, you guys. Look at that. Look at those colors. They look absolutely gorgeous. Lovely. Okay, so we are getting how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there, which is quite beautiful. You get, you know, different choices there to pick from, but this looks very interesting. You know, color selection looks quite interesting. I can definitely see some shades that I can, you know, try to use, and the colors looks absolutely gorgeous, and they feel quite expensive too. They look expensive, but yeah, this is what we get, which is quite lovely actually, to get, you know, this palette in here. So that is that. Next up we have something from Hello Body, and this one is called it is a daily eye cream, which of course is this product right here. That's how it looks like. So Cocoa Smooth Daily Eye Cream. I use eye creams, you guys, a lot, you know, together with my, you know, my skincare product. I just, you know, do my skincare routine, and I always use an eye cream. It's just you know, my skincare routine. But yeah, that's just how the packaging looks like. So another product that I'll probably, you know, try, or you know, or present it to somebody. But yeah, because I do have quite you know, a lot of eye cream, so I might, you know, present this one to somebody as well, or even the palette, you know, I might give it to somebody else, because I do have quite a lot of you know, blushes with me and highlighters. And the last product in here, it is a perfume, you guys, and this one is from Mikaski Berlin, which is this one right here, you guys. I did not expect to get a perfume in here, but we got a perfume. So that is that, and let's just open it and find out, you know, that the smell suit my needs, you know. So let's keep this one. Oops, I always struggle to open things. Oh wow, the packaging looks cool. Look at the packaging, looks quite lovely. Okay, let's and this one is for women, by the way, so it is a woman perfume. Let's just spray it somewhere else. Oh, that smells lovely. Okay, now I can spray it on my hand. Because I wasn't sure whether I would like the smell, but wow. And that doesn't smell too bad either. It smells quite nice. It's not sweet, but it's not like very, you know, overpowering smell either. It's just like quite nice and beautiful smell, which I which I don't mind, although sometimes I do change my mind when it comes to perfumes. Like I spray something, I feel like, oh, I like this one, but then after some time I'm like, oh, what was I thinking? I don't like this one. So yeah, let's hope that I'm going to like this one, because so far, like right now, I can, you know, see myself using this. It's not too bad, but I might change my mind later, like I said, because I've done that in the past before, where I buy a perfume, you know, I taste it in the shop, I'm like, oh, that smells lovely. I get at home 1 week later, I'm like, what was I thinking? What was I thinking? I don't like this perfume. But yeah, let's hope that this won't be that case. But yeah, you guys, that was everything in this box. So we have quite some goodies in here, you guys, which I'm quite excited about, because you know, this was all 35 euro, this box, and we got some really awesome products in here that I definitely either, you know, will use myself or will present to somebody else, you know, family members or stuff like that, friends. But yeah, definitely there are some goodies. You know, this palette here, it's lovely palette, beautiful shades in there. So yeah, that's definitely a win. Mascara, that's something to try up to 72 hours. I don't think I've worn mascara up to that, or you know, but yeah, I shall give it a go, probably do a test and see how that works. You know, perfume, mirror, you know, hand cream and nail cream, all these are beautiful products that definitely I'll use. This, that smells beautiful. I prefer the smell of this one actually. I love the smell of this one compared to the perfume. Just, you know, just for saying, yeah, this smells lovely. I love the smell of this so much. But anyway, that was all the product that was included in, of course, a Glossybox, you know, Christmas limited edition. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know down below what you think of the product that they have packed in this box. Let me know your thoughts. Your feedback will be, you know, much appreciated. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Lots of love, you guys, as always. I do appreciate you watching my videos. It means so much to me. And yeah, thanks so much for that. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That helps my channel a lot. And thanks so much. Lots of love. Take care, and I shall see you guys on my next one. Bye for now.